Hello everyone, my name is Jessica Fars and today I'm going to show you how to use Animoto. We all know classroom motivation is important and technology can be used to engage students. Animoto is a video making tool that can be used in a number of ways. For this training, we will use it to create an introductory video to a lesson. Let's say that we are about to study The Great Gatsby and I want my students to get a glimpse of the 1920s. I can use Animoto to get their thoughts flowing and get ready to create connection with the text. So first, you must log in. If you have not already signed up, there is a sign up method that requires an email address and then create a password. I have already logged in, so I'll just sign in with one. Once I'm logged in, I have the option to create memories or something for marketing. Well, marketing costs money, and as teachers, we like free, so let's pick memories. Now you should see an area with different things. If you click all, you'll see more things. And I'm going to pick the glitter and gold one. So I'm strolling down and I'm choosing glitter and gold. At this point you will see a preview. And I like what I see. So I click create video. Now we are at what I would like to call our play area. Here we can change the song, add photos and video, and input text. I like the song that comes with this theme, so I won't be changing it. But please know that you have the option to upload a song of your own or choose something from their offering. So I'm going to start by adding pictures. I have already saved the pictures that I want to use in a folder, and I advise you to do the same. It it saves time by not having to switch from one folder to the next. Looking for your pictures. Once I click the plus sign, I can add photos by selecting the icon that looks like a plus. A window has opened and I want to upload pictures and take them to my file. So now I'm going to select my photos. And here's a tip. To keep from selecting one photo at a time, click the first picture and release the mouse. Then press and hold the shift key while you click the last picture. And you'll see all the pictures get selected. So I'm going to show you. You're going to click the first picture, release the mouse, click shift, shift and scroll all the way down to the last picture and it'll highlight all of them, and then you'll press open and you'll see the pictures begin to load. So they still loading. The order of the picture look good to me, so now I'm going to add a text to an individual picture. I click caption on the picture and type what I want to say. For this one with the dancer, I put flappers were the new thing. So I click on the picture, click capture, and I type in flappers, flappers were the new thing, and I'll save it. So you see now you can add tidbits of information that your students will come across in the lesson. Okay, now I'm finished with adding the text. I want to see how my video looks. I click preview video and the tool with the show Of course, there are other use for this. Students can assemble animoted visual, describe vocabulary words. They can use it for characteristic project. They can use it for to tell a visual story. I have a teacher friend who used Animoto to teach her students about Hurricane Katrina before they read Zatoon, because many of their students were too young to remember the tragedy. Doing so, doing so gave them something as foundations to build upon. All right, so there you have it. I have shown you how to use Animoto, and I hope you have fun teaching with it. Thanks for viewing. Have a great day.